Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we will see first Accenture coding question that is asked in Accenture recently. Before going ahead, I just like to let you know that we have made video on perks of being working in Accenture. So please go and watch out that video. And if you like our content, then please do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon button. So let's start. So this question is asked recently in Accenture exam. That is, Alice is planning to organize a contest with four players in each team. That means we have to we have a team. There are two types of player named experienced and freshers. To make the contest unbiased, Alice want to have a team in such way that team must contain at least one experienced or one fresher. So in the three lines, we have understood that there should be a four-player of team, and in every four-player in every team, in each team, there should be one experienced and one fresher should be there. Okay, you are given n number of experienced and m number of fresher. Your task is to determine the maximum number of team formation possible. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, if you read this question one or two times, take a screenshot and pause this video and then try to solve this question as soon as try as you can do. Okay, note, no member can join more than one team. Input, the first line contain two separate integer n and m, and print the number that represent the maximum number of formation possible. Okay, so if we see that how many teams can be formed by the numbers of experience and fresher, it is very simple. We have four players in each team. Then what can we do? We just simply add n number of experienced player plus number of freshers divide by 4. Okay, this is how we will get the maximum number of team possible. Okay, then we will see how can we make sure that every team has one experienced and one fresher. Okay, so let's jump into the coding. So this is the platform that which we are using to run our code. So it is very simple. It is just showing hello world. So let's go to that. Our class name is main. Okay, and this is the main method. As you know, this is we are doing this code in Java. So if you need to learn the logic, you can implement same thing in C++, Python, and whatever you want to apply. Okay, so let's understand. So what we need to do first thing, we need to do one thing, that is take some input. Okay, int am or int f for fresher. Okay, before that, for uh, for taking the for taking the input in Java, we have to make sure that there is a scanner class that we need to use to take input from the user. Okay, so this is we are importing here, that this is our package name and this is class name scanner. Okay, now what we are going to make, we will make an object sc. Okay, and new scanner system dot in. So we have created one object for our, let let's take it input. Okay, so f for fresher. Okay, and sc dot, what type of this value, next thing, integer type of value. That's why we have declared the data type integer. Then then again the next value is experienced guy. Okay, so in e and sc dot next int. Okay, if we simple run this, then it should be run. Okay, let's say 2 or 4. Okay, so we have not done any type of calculation. So what we are doing here, we are just taking the input, that is uh, experienced player and fresher player. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to calculate the maximum number of team possible. How can we do that? Okay, we will create one method, that means function. Okay, but in terms of Java, if we talk about this, then that is um method. Okay, so let's say we are keeping the method name is max team, that will return the maximum number of team possible by by making ensure that we are just using one player in each team, experienced and fresher. Okay, so let's say int comma n. Okay. So for this method, we are just passing two argument. Okay. Now, if we see, let's say int answer is equal to 0. Okay, we have created one variable that is answer, and in the answer we are providing, we are putting some just 0. Okay. And what other thing, like, we have already cleared that if you want to know how many teams possible, we are not checking the constant that we have to make sure that one player should be in each experience and flasher. Okay. Remove that from mind, just to make sure that what is the maximum number of team can be possible. It is very simple, and we have to make total number of four teams. Okay. Four player in each team. So this formula will help you to do that. M plus n divided by 4. That means addition of experienced player and fresher player divided by 4. Let's say if there we have 8 player of experience and 2 player of fresher. Okay, then it is very clear. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 divided by 4 is equal to 2. And if you check the constraint, then it will work for that. Okay, that we have 8 experienced player but 2 fresher player. So if we create the team 4, then we have 2 fresher only. We can put them in one team. So we can have only 2 teams. Okay. Now what we need to understand, there is a there is one thing that we can do. Okay. So if, let's say, if our answer is less than, there is a method in Java that is math.min. Okay, I will tell you what I am doing this for. Okay. Okay. So what will this make sure? It will make sure that our condition never fail. For what? For what? For this condition. N number of experience of racer on. Yeah. Okay, that condition will make sure that our team should be every time have at least one experienced and one fresher. Like, if we, let's say let's say for example, if we are taking one experienced guy, okay, and uh, four fresher guy. So how many team formation is possible here? Okay, if we add these, 4 plus 1 is, that is 5. 5 divided by 4 is equal to always 1. That means we have only one team. Okay, and 1 is always less than this. And what will be the answer? Okay, so let's come to else part. Okay, let's come to else part. And in else part we will write down simple return math dot min m comma n. Okay, this will make sure that there are some corner cases as well in this. Okay, that we have to handle. Okay, like let's say m or n both are 0, then what will happen here? 0 plus 0 divided by 4, that is also 0. Okay, and this will not work, then this will work, and answer will be 0. Okay, at that time you can handle that. Why? One more condition, that if m is equal to 0, or n equal to 0, then return only 0 in answer. Okay, so if you see that we have condition for both if and else, it will handle your all scenarios. Okay, so now what? Now we just need to, okay, now we just need to call our method to have maximum number of teams, that is e comma f. Okay, this is how we call the function in Java and simply pass our arguments. Okay, Now we what we need to do, but we need to print our maximum number of team. Maximum number of team, and it is very simple. Okay, okay. So if we try to run this program, let's run this. We will make sure that we are giving, let's say, five experienced player, okay, and six as up there. Then just calculate what will be your output. Okay, five experience and fresh, six fresher. Okay, let's add them. 6, 5, 11. 11 divided by 4. 4 to the 8. Okay, right? Then there will be maximum number of formation of team. It should be 2. If we taking that constant as well, then still we are able to form only two teams, right? So let's run this. Maximum number of team is equal to 2. Okay, let's give here a space as well. If we if we try for another value as well, no issue. Let's say we have four experienced player and one fresher player, then what will be the value of number of maximum team? It is 1. It is very clear. So this is how you can solve this problem. Okay, I hope you liked our content. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. In the next video we will have some more amazing questions that is asked in multinational companies like Accenture, Infosys, Wipro. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked our content. Thank you for watching this video.